Hi there to all my hard-working realtor friends. This is Larry Gould with Music to Your Inbox, and this week I want to talk to you about a double dose of education that's coming up. On Tuesday, December 13th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. we're holding a 3-hour class on renovation loans. Many people don't want to do these loans because they think they're difficult, and that can be true if you're not doing them with Advisors Mortgage, but we do these loans extremely well. Join us for a 3-hour class and get yourself a really good education on them. Secondly, on Wednesday, December 14th, we're doing a 1-hour Zoom call from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and we're going to be discussing the shift in the market, giving you reasons and how to compel your buyers to buy at the current time. We're also going to be talking about loan products that work well for this period of time. So I hope you get to join us at least one or two of them. You can call me, text me, email me, whatever, or you might see a link below on this depending on where it's posted. My name is Larry Gould and I want to surround you with gold.